In this question, we are asked to use the integral tables to evaluate this antiderivative. Unfortunately, the question does not provide a table of integrals to look through. I have uploaded a table of integrals to the document sharing. It's just a general document sharing. It's not in any one of the folders, but you'll be able to use it for questions such as this. On an exam, I will provide a shortened version of selected integrals that you may have to look through as well. And so the document that you'll see will look like this. Lots and lots of integrals, and we've got to scroll through and find the one that matches what we're looking for. So what are we looking for? We're looking for something that matches 7 over square root of 49r squared minus 4. All right, so that's a constant in the numerator. That 7 doesn't matter, right? That can be pulled out. We want square root of x squared minus something. That's really what we're looking for. If there's an a in front of the x squared, that's great. If not, I'll show you how to deal with that. And if we look through that, I can see it already. Actually, this is a good point. Not quite. I was looking at 13, but 13 is not quite right because 13 has a negative x squared, but we are actually looking for a minus 4. The variable is not the minus sign. So you've got to be very careful in making sure that what you're looking for matches exactly what we are given. So we want x squared minus underneath the square root. So let's keep on scrolling down. Looks like we're looking at integrals of x squared minus a squared. That's the general form. And here we go. It's number 59 on this page. X squared minus a squared. Now the 7, as I pointed out, we can factor that out of the integral, and that doesn't cause an issue. This 49, however, does cause something of an issue that we've got to be a little bit careful of. Right? And if we look at this integral, we get x squared minus a squared. So we can see right away that a squared has got to be 4 squared. That's fine. A squared is 4 squared. There's no trouble with that. The difficulty is that x squared has to be 49r squared. So 49r squared is x squared in this formula. So if x squared is 49r squared, then x is 7r. So what we need to do is rewrite this formula with x being 7r. So if x is 7r, that's ln 7r plus square root of x squared, which is 49r squared, minus 4. So I want x being 7r, so already it's just going to be between a and b, right, because x has to be 7r. And then the minus here matches the minus here, so we're looking for answer choice D.